This is Steve Elville. I was introduced to Boxwood Winery by Gary and Donna Greenwald. Gary and Donna are adventurers at heart, and they loved exploring the Virginia countryside and the wine country, and they introduced me to this beautiful winery and the setting. I enjoyed photographing the Boxwood Winery and taking aerial footage as well. I hope you enjoy it and enjoy this brief video. The wine of love is music, and the feast of love is song. And when love sits down to the banquet, love sits long. Sits long and ariseth drunken, but not with the feast and the wine. He reeleth with his own heart, that great, rich vine. Thank you for watching this video. And from all of us here at Elville and Associates and Gary Greenwald PC, we wish our CCP members a wonderful wine tasting with the professionals at Boxwood Winery. Welcome to our August social event for the CCP. Thank you and enjoy.